Hi guys, so I wanted to hop on and show you how I do my foundation. I found a new way that works perfectly. So the only thing I have on my eyes is my primer and shadow sense for my eyebrows and a little bit concealer to hide my blemishes, but I'm going to be showing you how to use these two things for how to get flawless foundation amazing look. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using this cap, this end, to put my foundation on and mix it up. So I'm just using my Sengence foundation, and I'm only doing like 1 to 2 pumps. You don't need much. And then I found that this really works if you mix it together, makes it last longer, even though it lasts a lot longer on your face. This is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color Nude Chair, and this one is Almond. So I'm going to take a little bit of this one, it's kind of the same color, and I'm going to take the back of this Sengence flat top brush from Target. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just going to take it and mix it together. Might need a little bit more. I'm just mixing it, patting it. Then I'm going to take the back of it and just plot it on my face where I normally would put foundation. I found this is like super easy just to use the back of things. Then I go in, I'll put some down here too. Then I go in with a flat top side and I pat it in, and patting it in, it gives it a more airbrush look and makes it more like look better than just, you know, swiping it, because a lot of foundations, if you just don't pat it, you get streaking on it on your face, so you get red lines. So patting it in, I am swiping down here because it is my neck. So do you see that? That's the first step. Amazing goodness. And you could just do this with the Sengence foundation too, but I wanted to try and mix it up, so that's what I've been doing, so it lasts a little bit longer. And I'm going down my neck, and now I'm going to take the rest of this foundation and just go in and use the flat top part, and I got it all off, and just kind of pat it in where it needs to be patted. Oh, I can't believe it's like the first week of September. Like, where has summer gone? Like, it's crazy. So once that, like, you could just leave it like that, but I'm going to show you the second step. So I'm going to take my my makeup sponge that I got from Amazon in a package. I don't know what it's called. This is like damp still because I did a video on how to DIY clean your makeup brushes on Tuesday. If you haven't seen it, hop on over there and check it out after this video. So all I'm gonna do is just lightly pat it in to my skin for a more even, flawless skin tone. And I get full coverage, like amazing. The Sengence Foundation gives you full coverage. I'm pretty sure that this one does too, but I'm not positive. I just started using it and I didn't really research it because I saw other people using it on Instagram. So, okay, let me show you. Do you see that? Amazing, flawless, no redness, full coverage. So I'm going to finish up my makeup and come back for you guys with the end result. Okay, so I'm back with the end result. I did not time lapse it, but this is how it turned out. I really like how this two-step really works for me. So that's why I wanted to show you how it worked for me, because it could work for you. So please give this a please give this video a thumbs up, and please also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos every single week. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So before we get started on this two-step flawless foundation look, or how to get your foundation to look flawless, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell before you leave. So let's jump right into it.